যদি রাত পোহালে শোনা যেত বঙ্গবন্ধু মরে নাই, যদি রাত পোহালে শোনা যেত বঙ্গবন্ধু মরে নাই, যদি রাজপথে আবার মিছিল হতো বঙ্গবন্ধুর মুক্তি চাই, মুক্তি চাই, মুক্তি চাই, তবে বিশ্ব পেত এক মহান নেতা, আমরা পেতাম ফিরে জাতির পিতা। তবে বিশ্ব পেত এক মহান নেতা, আমরা পেতাম ফিরে জাতির পিতা। যদি রাত পোহালে শোনা যেত বঙ্গবন্ধু মরে নাই।
বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম। Dear learners, welcome Noyabati Haji Shariatullah Vidyapith, Khalishpur, Khulna, our online class. Dear learners, welcome to my class. Dear learners, I have introduced myself. This is Shahidul Islam, Assistant Teacher, Noyabati Haji Shariatullah Vidyapith, Khalishpur, Khulna. This is class 9, subject English first paper, unit 1. Dear learners, can you say who is the great man? Can you tell me who is this great man? Is the father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. So, dear learners, our today's topic is father of the nation. Dear learners, Bangabandhu's birthplace, Tungipara, Gopalganj, in 1920 and March, 17 March. Learners, Bangabandhu's fathers, Sheikh Lutfur Rahman. His mother, Saira Khatun. And his wife, Sheikh Fazilatun Nisa Mujib. Dear learners, this is Bangabandhu's family picture. Dear learners, look at the picture. Gopalganj Missionary High School. Present picture and past picture in 1936 and 2020. Dear learners, look at the another picture. Kolkata Missionary College, where Bangabandhu studied. In 1952, he played a leading role in the realization of mother tongue claims. In 1954, he won the Jukto Front election and he was sworn in as one of the ministers by A.K. Fazlul Haq. Dear learners, in 1956, he participated education movement directly. In 1966, that was the big movement. In 1966, he announced his famous 6-point program, which aimed at self-rule for East Pakistan, struck sharp at the root of West Pakistani dominance. The 6-point program at once drew the attention of the nation. Dear learners, though conservative elements of political parties look at it, consternation, it instantaneously stirred the younger generation, particularly the students, youth, and working classes. Dear learners, look at the picture. On account of Agartala conspiracy case, he was in jail. During the second term in jail, his charisma grew so much that a mass uprising took place in his favor. In early 1969, an Ayub administration was compelled to release him on 22 February 1969 unconditionally. The general election of December 1970 made Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman the sole spokesman of East Pakistan. The learners, look at the picture. Awami League won the general election. Awami League made the cabinet, but West Pakistan administration did not receive them cordially. On 7 March 1971, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman made a historical address at a mammoth gathering at the race course, which marked a turning point in the history of the Bengali nation. 30 March 2070, the species has recognized by UNESCO as the documentary heritage. That night in 1971, Mujib was arrested by West Pakistan Army and sent him West Pakistan prison. The Pakistan Army launched its brutal crackdown in Dhaka. The freedom struggle started under the leadership of Bangabandhu. After 9 long months, we became independent with the sacrifice of 3 million martyrs. Dear learners, look at the picture. Lieutenant General Niazi, who surrendered in the presence of Lieutenant General Jagjit Singh Arora, signs the independence petition.
এখন সময় সকাল 8টা।
After liberation on 7th January 1972, West Pakistan administration free from prison and sent back home. On the way to Bangladesh, he visited London and Delhi Prime Minister. At last, he arrived in Dhaka on 10th January 1972. Dear learners, look at the pictures. A very unlucky person, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, was assassinated by a group of disgruntled army officials on August 15, 1975, along with most of his family members, excepting for his 2 daughters who had been staying abroad at that time. They are Sheikh Hasina and Sheikh Rehana. Dear learners, look at the picture. She is our Honorable Prime Minister. Our Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, who is working hard to establish her father's dream, Sonar Bangla. Dear learners, that's all. Thank you very much. See you again. Joy Bangla, Joy Bangabandhu. Thank you.